Saving money in the kitchen can significantly reduce your overall food expenses. Here are some effective strategies. Plan your meals for this week, for the week. Create a meal plan, and it's going to help you buy only what you need. Reduce food waste and impulse purchases. Make a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Avoid buying items that aren't on the list to prevent unnecessary spending. Buy in bulk for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. This can often lead to cost savings over time. So take advantage also of seasonal produce, which tends to be cheaper and fresher. Visit local farmer markets or grocery stores for good deals. All right. Cook at home instead of often, dining out or reordering or, takeout. Preparing meals at home is usually much more economical. Now, batch cook and freeze portions for future meals. All right? This not only saves time but also prevents food waste. Use leftovers creatively in new dishes, minimizing waste and maximizing your budget. Lastly, keep track of your pantry and fridge for the inventory to avoid buying duplicates or letting food spoil. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively save money in the kitchen.